Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Celine Triomphe Wallet. Let's find out what fits, compare with my old $20 wallet, and check if it fits my smallest shoulder bag. This wallet retails for $670 or 39,500 pesos if you're based in the Philippines. The one I have is in lambskin leather with calfskin lining. It has a gold finishing Triomphe metallic snap button closure, and as you can see, this is a brand new wallet, but it already has a dent due to the heavy metal snap closure. But it's okay, you can just massage the leather and it should come back to its original form. It has 5 credit card slots, 1 folded coin pocket with snap button, 1 note pocket, and 2 flat pockets. Almost everything is in full leather inside and out, making its quality really superb. The size of this is 4 by 3 by 2 inches, but you have to add at least 0.5 inches on each side once you put stuff in it. Comparing it with my 2-year-old wallet from Charles & Keith, this is only $20 and made of man-made leather. As you can see, I squeezed a lot of stuff in it. So now let's find out if these will all fit in my new Celine wallet. I am blurring and speeding up this portion as my cards can be seen. I hope that's okay. And here you can see that I had to squeeze 2 cards in one slot. These are the items that will no longer fit in my new wallet. As much as I love my new Celine Triomphe wallet, I must say that the Charles & Keith was able to hold more and more compact. I am very happy to report that this wallet fits perfectly with enough wiggle room to put other essentials in my smallest bag. This Celine is such a beauty, and if you are someone who doesn't carry so much coins and cash and is starting to collect small real leather goods, this will definitely suit you.